Today we're taking a closer look at the Clean by Pan the Organizer Tire Dressing. This is a premium water-based tire dressing designed to restore faded tires with a rich, deep appearance while providing long-lasting protection against the elements. In this episode of the Clean by Pan Academy, I'll show you exactly how to use it for the best possible results, share some professional tips along the way, and answer many of the most commonly asked questions I receive about this product. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself after watching, you'll find convenience purchase links provided in the video description under this video. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dressing their tires is using far too much product. Many people assume that applying a thick coat will make the tires shinier or help the dressing last longer. In reality, the opposite is often true. Excess product simply sits on the surface, making it more likely to attract dust and dirt, increasing the chances of tire sling and leaving behind an uneven finish. The secret to a great looking tire isn't using more product, it's using the right product the right way. Clean by Pan Tire Dressing V2 was designed to deliver a rich, dark finish while remaining incredibly easy to apply. It's a premium water-based formula that restores the appearance of your tires while adding durable protection that helps repel dirt and dust while providing UV protection to help reduce fading and premature aging caused by exposure to the sun, also known as cracking or tire rotting. One of my favorite features is the product's self-leveling technology. As you spread it over the tire, it almost looks like it's melting into the rubber. It naturally flows into all of the grooves, lettering, and textured areas of the sidewall, making it much easier to achieve an even streak-free finish. It also leaves behind a durable hydrophobic layer that helps repel water, dirt, and road dust, keeping your tires cleaner between washes or cleaner for longer. As with any tire dressing, preparation is the key to getting the best results. Before applying anything, make sure your tires are completely clean. Remove any old tire dressing, road grime, browning, and brake dust using a dedicated tire cleaner and a stiff tire brush or an all-purpose cleaner. Continue scrubbing until the rubber is perfectly clean, then rinse thoroughly and allow the tire to dry completely. You can also dry it using a microfiber towel. Applying dressing over a dirty tire simply traps the contamination underneath and significantly reduces both the appearance and durability of the finish. Once the tire is clean and dry, it's time to apply the dressing. The product comes with a convenient pop-up dispensing cap. Simply apply a small amount directly onto a foam tire applicator or whatever applicator you guys like. Remember, a little goes a long way. Work the dressing evenly around the tire using overlapping passes, making sure to cover all of the grooves, the raised lettering, and textured portions of the sidewall. The higher viscosity of this formula helps it stay exactly where you apply it instead of running down the tires. This gives the product excellent dwell time, allowing its self-leveling properties to do the work for you while creating an even, uniform, satin to matte appearance. After you've finished applying the dressing, allow it to cure for 5 to 10 minutes before driving the vehicle in the elements. This gives the protective layer some time to properly set and helps minimize the risk of tire sling. One coat produces a beautiful satin finish that looks clean, rich, and factory fresh. If you prefer a darker or glossier appearance, simply wait those 5 to 10 minutes and apply a second coat. Layering the product allows you to customize the final look depending on your personal preference. Another question I often receive is whether this product can be sprayed instead of applied directly. The answer is yes. Although it ships with the dispensing cap that you see right here, because that's the way most users prefer to apply it, you can dilute it 1-to-1 with water, so 50% product, 50% water, and then pour it into your favorite spray bottle and use it in a spray form with your favorite tire brush, for example, or an applicator. Spraying can be especially convenient for larger tires, or if this is simply your preferred method of application. After spraying, I still recommend spreading the product evenly with a foam applicator or a tire brush to ensure complete coverage and eliminate any excess. Another great benefit is its versatility. Although it's primarily designed for tires and rubber, it also works exceptionally well on exterior plastic trim and textured exterior plastics. It restores a rich, darker appearance while providing the same hydrophobic protection and UV resistance as it does on rubber. Just remember that, as with tires, thin and even coats always produce the best looking results. Many people also ask how durable the product really is. Under normal driving conditions in typical weather, you can expect approximately 2 to 4 weeks of protection. Of course, this depends on many variables, including where you live. Of course, durability will always vary depending on those factors such as weather conditions, mileage, road conditions, how often you wash your vehicle, and the cleaning products you use during your maintenance washes. The formula offers very good resistance to chemicals or cleaning chemicals, so routine maintenance washes using a quality pH neutral car shampoo won't easily strip away the protection, helping your tires maintain their rich and dressed appearance for longer. Another common question is whether the product can be used during warm weather or in direct sunlight. Absolutely. Like any detailing product though, you'll generally enjoy the best working experience when applying it in the shade on cool surfaces, but the formula itself is perfectly suitable for use during that sunny weather if you have no other choice but to work in direct sunlight. Now let's quickly recap what we spoke about. Start with perfectly clean and completely dry tires. Apply a thin, even coat using a foam applicator or microfiber applicator or brush, your favorite method to apply. Allow the dressing to cure for 5 to 10 minutes before driving. Apply a second coat after you've worked around the vehicle one time, or wait that 5 to 10 minutes for the second layer if you prefer an additional gloss level. If you'd rather spray the product, dilute it 1-to-1 with water before transferring it to a spray bottle, then level it with a foam applicator or a brush. And don't forget, that's also an excellent dressing for exterior plastic trim. Following these simple steps will give your tires with a kind of a rich, dark appearance, excellent UV protection, durable hydrophobic protection, resistance to dirt and dust buildup, and a finish that stays cleaner for longer, and that crisp OEM matte to satin appearance. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Clean by Pan Academy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and let me know which clean product you'd like me to cover next. You can shop the complete Clean by Pan the Organizer lineup at cleanbypan.com or thehouseofrags.com, or simply use the purchase links conveniently listed in the video description below. It's a wrap, guys. In the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.